Alright, we're going to be showing you some offensive line stances here. So there are two main offensive stances, which is the 2-point and the 3-point. And I've been taught these stances in two different ways as my time at New Canaan High School, and I'm going to be showing both of those here today. So, first thing you do, just stagger your feet. You're going to get them about shoulder width apart, maybe a little wider depending on your position of play, but about shoulder width apart. You're going to get into your normal position, your chest up, butt down, ready to go. This is the 2-point stance. Before the ball goes, you'll usually keep your hands on your thighs, or you'll keep them up or back or wherever you need to for yourself. The second way that I've been taught to do 2-point stances is to have your foot turned, your outside foot turned about 45 degrees. The idea behind this is it gives more of a surface area on your foot, and it'll make it stronger as you're doing your position plays. As far as I can tell, not one of them is easier or harder than the other, or more beneficial. It's very important that whatever stance you choose to use, or whichever stance your coach makes you use, you have to keep it constant. If you start tilting your foot out on pass plays, they're going to use that as a key to know when they're doing pass or run plays. If you tilt it in on pass plays, they're going to also use that as a key. So you have to make sure that your stance is always consistent every time you go in. All right. For the second type, where your foot is tilted out about 45 degrees, it's the same kind of a thing where you're tilting. You're squatting down, butt low, chest up. Your knee might be a little bit in or out, depending on what's more comfortable, but same kind of a thing. You're kind of resting on your knees. 3-point stance is the same as a 2-point stance for both of those, except you're going to lean forward and put your hand out and put some weight on that. The advantage of the 3-point stance is that it's a little bit faster and you have a little more power coming out of your position, but it's a little bit harder to kind of step back and do a pass pro. So depending on what your coach tells you to, you may or may not use the 2-point or the 3-point. You may just stick with one. You'll see, I'm going to show you both. Again, here's your 2-point stance, chest up, looking up, your eyes are up, you're ready to go. 3-point, your hand comes out and you kind of fall onto it, right? You got a lot of weight, about 15% of your weight is on your hand, then the rest is on your feet. Same when your feet are both pointed forwards. You get down, put your hand out, fall on it, eyes up, looking around, back flat, chest up as much as you can, ready to go.